Now we got one other issue. There is no link here on the menu bar to take us there. If we want to get to the admin page, we have to come up to the URL and type in the actual address of that file, which is, what was it? Show admin. So that's not really what we want. Instead, let's create a link up here. So to create a link, we have to go in and edit the top menu. So here's a file called show top menu. So let's take a look here on line 20. Here is what we can copy and paste. So here's the welcome person's name. Log out is working there. Let's take log out and use that as a model. So I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to put in the divider here, which is the pipe command. Now pipe is the shift and the key right above your enter key. It's a vertical bar, and then paste my log out. So instead of log out, I'm going to have the link to be show admin page, and let's put in there admin page. Let's save that. I'm going to turn on the word wrap so it looks a little easier. So I'm pretty confident that's going to work. Let's save it. I've got a little yellow guy here. What's he saying? It says no start tag for span. Oh, it looks like I forgot that. So we have span open and span close. There we go. Save the work and the error goes away. Good, thank you. It saved me some errors there. So let's refresh the page, and I have the admin page showing here now. So admin's a little bit easier to get to. So now we got another issue, is that anybody in the world can get to the admin page, and we only want the administrators to get there. So in the next video, we're going to create some extra code that will limit admins to a certain group of people.